In the realm of cybersecurity, managed security services providers, or MSSPs, play a pivotal role. They offer a suite of services like threat monitoring, incident response, and vulnerability management. Endpoint security solutions stand as guardians for devices like computers, laptops, and mobile devices, shielding them from cyber threats like malware and ransomware. Network security solutions act as shields for organizational networks, warding off intrusion attempts and thwarting data breaches. Security Information and Event Management, known as CEM, empowers organizations to monitor and analyze security events in real time, enabling a proactive response to potential cyber threats. Educating employees on cybersecurity best practices through security awareness training is a key defense against cyber threats like phishing attacks and social engineering exploits. Penetration testing services provide organizations with a preemptive strike against cyber threats by identifying vulnerabilities before malicious actors exploit them. In the face of cyber incidents, swift and effective responses are crucial. Incident response services aid organizations in minimizing the impact of cyber attacks through prompt actions. Data encryption services act as the fortress for sensitive information, safeguarding it from unauthorized access and potential data breaches. Mobile device management solutions ensure the security of mobile devices, shielding them from threats like data leakage and malware, enhancing overall cyber resilience. Cloud security services are the guardians of data and applications in the cloud, guaranteeing confidentiality, integrity, and availability, shielding against cyber threats.